up, guys? Dave the Gamer Season 3, and welcome back to my brand new second time of February. So Gabe's TTOH is back. Okay. Oh, whoa! Careful. It's getting small. Don't. Oh, it's a joke. It's a joke. Let's reverse. Let's make it faster. Okay, let's go backwards. Let's go forwards. Let's go backwards. Here we go. There you go. Out of range. It's like 133 games. There's only 5 days left until March, so we can make a funny movements before it's time for March. So you and me, and they can make 19 days left, and Dave the Gamer Season 3 are over. A new one. Next up, we make Dave the Gamer Season 4. So make it spring, and the season is almost done for the winter. New one. Season is gonna be after behind winter's done. Or after winter's done, it's gonna be spring. Okay, be careful. I win the TTOH 6 times in a row. Oh, I died.